Lightroom has released another incredible update that expands on the amazing AI-powered masking features introduced earlier this year. The machine learning has become even more sophisticated, and I wanted to highlight some of the new features that stand out the most, in my opinion, in Lightroom version 12. So let's open up Lightroom 12 with a group photo of my friends to test out some of the new features. So if I want to select each person available in this photo, all I have to do is create a new mask, and then I choose select people, and that will detect literally each person in the frame, which is already pretty impressive, quite accurate. Let's load up another image to show you how the algorithm can distinguish objects and people. So once again, I create a mask to select people, and despite the sculpture having a human outline, Lightroom can detect that it is an object rather than a real person. But if I wanted to select only the sculpture instead, I could do that as well. All I have to do is select object, and then I draw around with a brush just loosely around the structure, and then Lightroom does the rest for me. But it gets even more crazy because now you can even mask individual body parts of a person. So let's load up another close-up portrait of this amazing looking girl that I shot on the same day. And this feature is a real game changer for portrait photography, in my opinion. So all I have to do is select people once again, and then I go down the mask options, and here I have the possibility to select individual features of this girl. So for example, her skin, eyebrows, or even the iris and the lips. Let's select the iris only, for example, and then I could bump up the highlights here to emphasize her blue eyes. Or I could select the lips and make it look like she wears a different color lipstick, for example. So let's try this out. Create a new mask, select people, then I click on person 1, select mask options, tick that little box here next to lips, hit create mask, and then all I have to do is just simply shift the hue to purple, for example, to emphasize her lipstick, which is really cool. And the last feature is called Content Aware Remove, and that is a feature that was previously only available in Photoshop and not Lightroom. So for example, I noticed a distracting thing on the group image, and all I have to do is go to the healing panel, and I select that little icon right here, and I just draw that loosely around this distracting thing right here. And then Lightroom will automatically remove it, and I don't have to go to Photoshop in order to do that. Lightroom 12 is super impressive in my opinion, but I would be curious to know what you think. Please let me know in the comments whether you think if image editing is getting way too easy that way, or you think machine learning is really awesome and a thing for the future. If you want to hang out here on the channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on another video.